Good morning, students. Again, I'm here, your English teacher, to continue with the lesson Wet in the Forest. We were on paragraph number 6. Okay, look at the last sentence. Yes, the injured elephant was there. Turn the page. All right, they said, but it was in the middle of the herd. It would be impossible to separate the animal from the herd and treat it. Now, when they had gone to that particular spot with the other people, they found that the injured elephant was very much there. But he was in the middle of the other elephants, and it was very difficult to separate it from the other elephants. Para 7. After some discussion, we had a bright idea. If we first chased herd away, the injured animal would surely lag behind the fleeting herd. So they hit upon a nice idea, and the idea says that if they were to chase the elephants, they will run fast. Okay, and the injured, of course, will not be able to pace up with the same speed as the others. So he would be lagging behind all the other elephants and thus will be separated from them. Okay, explaining our plan, we asked the assembled villagers if they would be able to chase the herd away from the spot, and within a few minutes the chase started. So we requested the villagers gathered over there to chase the herd of the elephants, and they responded well and started chasing the elephants away. We could hear the herd crashing through the forest, the chasing party shouting and bursting crackers till the sound died away in the distance. Now, if we are to chase any animal, we have to make a loud noise. So, the villagers also, they started chasing the herd of the elephants by making several kinds of sound. Even they were bursting crackers, and soon the herd went far away. Okay, now next para. Our next plan of action was to ask the enthusiastic villagers for help to locate our patient. Now, our next plan was to ask the villagers to locate exactly where the patient would be found. After about half an hour or so, two boys came running up and told us that they had found the elephant standing alone in one corner of the forest. So after about half an hour, two boys came running to us and told us that they had found the injured elephant standing alone in the corner of the forest. Next para. We set off for the spot in our jeep with our two young friends as guides. So, as soon as we heard the two boys saying that the elephant was on a particular spot, we headed towards that spot in our jeep along with our two young guides. Another 10 minutes and we were there. We rode our jeep for 10 minutes and reached that particular spot. The injured elephant was standing on a slight elevation just across a depression created by a dry stream. So the elephant, he was standing on an elevation. Elevation means raised ground. Okay? Across a depression. Depression means a lower ground created by a dry stream. Okay. Subrato was asked to prepare his syringe. His experience so far had been limited to tranquilizing mostly monkeys, where time was not of the essence. Now, we asked Subrato to prepare his syringe of tranquilizer, okay, to make the elephant unconscious. Okay, but he didn't have so much of experience of tranquilizing elephants. Of course, he had tranquilized monkeys before, but tranquilizing monkeys does not require the essence of time. He had therefore not thought of keeping the syringes ready. So the difficulty was Subrata, he had not kept the syringe of tranquilizing the elephant ready. Showing admirable calm, he spread a cloth on the ground and arranged all the medicines on it neatly and methodically, taking all the time in the world. So what Subrata did, he simply spread a cloth and started arranging all the medicines very neatly and methodically on it. Okay, taking a lot of time. Next para. Taking care not to alarm the elephant any further, we urged Subrato in hoarse whispers to hurry. Now, we didn't want to alarm the elephant, otherwise it will vanish. So, we whispered and told Subrato to hurry with the syringes. By that time, a small crowd had gathered behind us, ready with a battery of advice. Now, by that time, many of the villagers have gathered behind us, and they all were showering lots of advice to us. Advice in the sense, do this, do that. Okay. By the time Subrato was ready, the frightened elephant had begun to move, limping visibly. Now, when Subrato was ready with the syringes, by that time, the frightened elephant had begun to move, and it was very clear that he was limping. Limping means walking with great difficulty, as his front leg was injured. Too many Sal poles stood between us and the animal for an accurate hit. Now, syringe is to be hit by shooting the gun, okay, to make the elephant unconscious. But there were many sal poles. Sal is a kind of tree, okay. So sal poles stood between the elephant and us. So it was very difficult to hit the target, okay. Subrato went forward slowly with his dart gun, and I followed to provide moral support and advice. So Subrato, who was ready with the syringe by now, moved forward very slowly with his dart gun to shoot at the elephant, and I followed to provide him with moral support and all the advice.